How do you display how many triangles there are in a mesh inside Blender? Here I have a mesh that was generated with Spark 3D. If I want to see its statistics, I can come to the overlays and then select statistics. This shows me how many triangles I have. Now I can see how many triangles are in my project and how many are in each object. If I duplicate this by pressing Shift+D and move it to the side, notice now I have almost 4 million triangles, yet each of these only has 2 million triangles. So this is a great way to be able to see how many triangles are in your Blender file. If instead of pressing Shift+D to duplicate it, if I press Alt or Option+D to duplicate it and I move this over to the side, notice now I still only have 2 million triangles. This one says 0 triangles because it's exactly the same as this. So rather than duplicating the data, you can make an instance of it. So statistics in Blender can really help you keep track of how many triangles you have in your project, and that way it doesn't get out of hand and take up too much memory. Happy 3D modeling!